In this video, I will show you how to use Zego with Uber Eats. So first things first, just install a Zego delivery right here and then open it. Now in here, it will ask where you will be working. So they can only offer cover in the countries listed. For example, if you're actually an Uber rider on United Kingdom, just choose right here. Now from there, second is register option and then just fill up your information. So Zego will actually serve as your insurance while you are actually delivering with Uber Eats. If you haven't registered yet with Uber Eats, you can head over to Uber Eats right there. Let's go right there. And then you can just sign up as a driver or delivery rider on Uber Eats by going to the account, scrolling down, and then clicking on this earn by driving or delivering. Now, from in there, it should be able to allow you to actually proceed and then become a rider by just choosing right here your phone number for United Kingdom. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.